Hey, babies. Look at those fancy hats. Is it Chinese New Year? But what about your lanterns? Go on, let's light them. Awesome, you guys look great. Now, let's go celebrate. Whoa, what was that? Maybe it's a Chinese dragon? Shall we go find out? Oh, doesn't the city look wonderful? Ooh, babies, did you hear something? Did you see that? Let's check it out. Whoa, what is that? Horns? Don't be scared, babies. Keep calm. Maybe it's a dragon. Have you ever seen one? It is a dragon. Be careful, kids. Oh no. Sonny, can you help them? Aha! Good thinking, Sonny. Whoa, babies, watch out. That fire is hot. Drive, babies, drive. Go, 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 babies. Oh no, it's catching up. How can you stop it? You've got an idea, Chili? Quick. Score! That did the trick. Looks like Barry's hatched a plan to stop the dragon. What is Barry up to? Can you handle all those lanterns by yourself? Wow, what's with the picnic? Oh, you're tempting the dragon with food. Good idea. Did you hear that roar? The dragon is coming. Quick, hide. Now, let's see if the plan works. He sure likes the pizza. And the donut. Here it comes. Get ready, team. Go, go, go! Good job, babies. You caught a dragon. Oh, you are so brave. Wait a second. That's not a dragon. It's Jerry pretending to be one. You wanted a costume for Chinese New Year too, right? Now, who's gonna eat all this food? Oh, well, it seems like dragons aren't so scary after all. Great shot, Chad. Want to try, babies? Don't be shy, Barry. Try a shot. Don't worry, Sonny. You'll just have to practice. Your turn, Chili. Wow, excellent shot! Wow, that's impressive, Chili. Barry wants to play too, Chili. That's not nice, Chili. It's okay, Barry. Uh-oh. Chad has had enough. It's time you start letting others play too, Chili.
Yeah.
It's not fun when no one wants to play with you, is it? You need to say you're sorry to your friends, Chili. Yeah, Barry! Great teamwork, guys! Looks like you learned your lesson, Chili. Huh? Trying to shoot with your eyes closed, Sonny? Score! It's great to have fun as a team, isn't it, Chili? Oh! Yeah, Santa brought Christmas gifts. Ready for your gifts, babies? Babies, wait up for your parents.
Hey!
Ouch! Careful! Can the babies open their gifts now? Uh-oh. Your gift just moved, Sonny. Don't be afraid, Sonny. Why don't you open each gift together? Go on, Sonny. Open your gift. Oh, look, it's a magic teddy bear. What a funny dance. Sonny is really enjoying her gift. Go, babies! Now let's see Chili's gift. Incredible! A magic toy car. Go on. Let's see you play with it. This is so much fun. Let's see Barry's gift. How cute. It's a magic baby tiger. Look, babies are not scared of magic anymore. What a magical Christmas. Babies, watch out for the rock.
Whoa!
Guys, look. Great job, babies. Go on, guys. Join the children. What a happy moment. Nothing is more magical than spending time with your loved ones. Hi, babies. Are you on your way to school? What's that, Barry? Oh, it's a magic lamp. Oh, they're already gone. Wow, you've turned into Super Barry. Hey, Jenny, looks like Barry's going to be late for school today. Oh, no, it's nasty Dr. Zig. What's he doing here? Help! Dr. Zig's kidnapped Sonny and Chili. Super Barry, you must save your friends from the evil Dr. Zig. Oh no, it's a tunnel. How will Super Barry find them? Wow! You can fly, Super Barry. Now you can see all over Car City. But where are Sonny and Chili? Can you find them with your X-ray vision? be scared, babies. Maybe you can break the bubble. Oh, no, it's not working. But keep calm. Super Berry is on his way. Can you go find them, Super Berry? There they are. Good job. Be careful, Super Berry. Dr. Zig might still be in there. Watch out, Dr. Zig wants to capture you too. Good dodge, but you'll need to think fast if you're going to stop him. Clever job. But, oh no, Dr. Zig's escaped. Quick, Super Berry, think of something. Lasers to melt his tires. Now Dr. Zig is truly stuck. Time to save your friends. Boy, Sunny and Chili are glad to see you. Can you break the bubble? Good job, Super Berry. Now let's get out of here. What's that, Super Berry? You have another idea? Get that, that's so cool. Now you can all fly to school. Wow, the city sure is beautiful from above.
Hey!
Hi, Jenny. The babies want to play superheroes. Ah, babies are having fun. Time for your afternoon nap.
Huh?
Come on, Barry. Afternoon napping is awesome. Barry, weren't you sleeping? Sleep is good for your health. Looks like Barry isn't going to sleep. Wow, babies. Feeling energized? Sleep is very important. Barry, your friends want to play. Barry has no energy to race. Babies, Barry is tired because he didn't sleep. Good idea. Try the swings. Barry isn't having fun. Can you cheer up, Barry? Looks yummy. Barry, have some ice cream. Yes, Barry is finally having fun. Barry! Do you see why sleep is so important? Barry is too tired. Time for an evening nap, babies. Barry, sleep will give you energy to play. How about a race? Do you now see how sleep is important? Having fun, babies? I don't think Barry will drop his ice cream again. Sleep is very important. Hey, babies, having fun? What was that? What a cool-looking machine. Be careful, babies. Barry, put that down, please. Watch out. Wow, so cool. What are you up to, babies? Ah, you're pranking others. This is so amusing. I love it. Barry, are you jealous? Why don't you try the machine on yourself? Sorry, Barry, no transformation. Wow, Barry, the machine made you super fast. Your friends really are enjoying their superpowers. Oh, Sonny, why aren't you playing with your friends? You want superpowers too? Go ahead, use the machine. Sonny, you have to press the button. Your superpowers are amazing. Wow, babies! You have flying powers too. Look, Sonny, your friends can fly. Sonny, are you the one levitating them? Babies, Sonny's power is so great. Babies have superpowers now. Is that a cancel power ray? Babies, you don't need superpowers to be awesome. Oh, what a fun game. Babies, Ben is looking for you. Do you want to learn how to grow flowers? Babies, are you ready? Always clear the area before planting anything. Careful, Barry. Sonny, that shade will block the sun. Flowers need the sun to grow. Ben, are you preparing the soil for planting? Chili, you have to plant it in the ground first. Okay, babies, let's plant some flowers. Barry, you have to remove the flower from the pot. Babies, watch Ben closely. Good job, Ben. Babies, it's your turn now. Good job, babies. Chili, you need to water it first. Yes, Sonny, please bring the watering can. This helps the soil to mix with the roots. Babies, don't destroy the flower seeds. Babies, watch as Ben plants the flower seeds. Babies, it's your turn now. Good job, babies. Let's cover the flower roots with soil to help them grow. Too much water will kill the flowers, Sonny. Just once or twice weekly. But you can be the first one to water the seeds. That was great teamwork. Babies want to check on the flowers and water them. Look, babies. The flowers are so beautiful. Have you learned how to grow flowers? Oh, what's up, babies? You look bored. Don't be sad, guys. It's St. Patrick's Day. Look! A lucky four-leaf shamrock. Maybe the shamrock wants to play too. What's it gonna do now? It's trying to tickle you. Where is this lucky shamrock taking you? Wow! A rainbow bridge! What a magical view! This really is a great day. Look at Chili. Don't be afraid, Barry. Your friends are waiting for you. Wow. What could be inside? Taking the candy back to school to share it? It's too heavy. Great idea. Sonny can carry them. Finding a shamrock was lucky, but having friends is even luckier, isn't it, guys?